Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, I'm so excited that my sweet friends get to do the letter A today. You're getting your first letter. That is so fun. All right, so I cannot wait to teach you this letter because we have a very fun way to teach you. I'm going to teach you with letter stories. So you're going to have a page that has an alligator with the letter A. And so I have come up with a story to help us remember the sound that A makes. Ready? All right, so let me move my face. This is the letter A, capital A, lowercase a. All right, so A says ah, ah. But a way I'm going to help you remember what A says is that Miss Hendry was walking through the swamp. She was having a good time. She was walking through the swamp when all of a sudden a hungry alligator pops out of the water. Miss Hendry said, ah! So the letter A says, ah, 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 because we would be scared if we saw an alligator, right? All right. Some things that start with the letter A are apples, because A says, ah. The apple, we hear the letter A sound, apple. Then stuff like an ant, good. An astronaut, astronaut. An ambulance, and an alligator. We all of those words, we hear the ah sound. Now we've been doing slants, and push across. That is actually going to help us write our letter A, especially our capital letter A. Because look at the letter A. It kind of looks like a tent up top. It has a point and it has two lines that come down with a push across. And then our lowercase letter A is a ball with a pull down. Isn't that cool? You're going to be able to write the letter A soon. But I'm so proud of you. So let's just go back. Remember, the letter A. This is how we can remember what it says. It says ah. All right. So Miss Hendry's walking through the swamp. Ah, an alligator pops out. And what does Miss Hendry say? Ah, because A says ah. Good. Bye, guys.